Hi guys, Russell here from Homebrew Republic. Welcome to a 2-minute brew review. Today we're checking out the Mangrove Jacks Craft Series Pear Cider. We're going to check out the finished product, we're going to check out the kit itself, and any other ingredients or special instructions you need to be aware of to get this brew fermenting. The Mangrove Jacks Craft Series Pear Cider, what are we going to get? According to the description on the pack, we are brewing from the juiciest pears comes the best pear cider. This cider has a sweet, mellow pear flavour which will satisfy the thirst. As always, sounds pretty good, right? Let's check this kit out. This is the finished product. As you can see, really beautiful gold colour, really amazing clarity, 4-hour aroma, big juicy pear jumping right off the top, but a really crisp, a really fresh and a really clean aroma. Pretty much perfectly describes the flavour profile, almost like a mellow but certainly a really juicy pear. We did this one for sweet finish, but the sweetness, it's just perfect. It's not overpowering, it's really nice. If sweetness isn't your thing, you can bring that back to a nice dry finish. These kits are from the Mangrove Jacks Craft Series range, which also means the pouches are filled using a cold filled nitrogen flush technology. What that means, if we read Mangrove Jacks copy, is that the filling process protects the unique flavour and aroma characteristics of the concentrate that's inside the pouch. In short, better concentrate, better finished product. The Craft Series packs also have an incredibly well designed pouch, and what we have is a wet side and a dry side, and if we check out in there you can see the concentrate in the wet side, and on the dry side we have our other ingredients. Comprehensive step-by-step instructions, Mangrove Jacks Craft Series cider yeast, our sweetener, we'll talk about that a little bit more in a second, and our flavouring. 2 special instructions is worth keeping in mind. With this brew you have the option of a dry finish, a sweet finish, or an off-dry finish. To achieve any of those you would use no sweetener for the dry finish, half of the sweetener for the off-dry finish, or all of the sweetener for the sweet finish. The other special instruction is around fermentation temperature. What the instructions advise you is a recommended fermentation temperature of 18 to 24 degrees. The only other ingredient you'll need to get this brew on is 1 kg of dextrose or brewing sugar, or Mangrove Jacks Cider Enhancer, which I always prefer. All that said, this is a great brew that makes for easy drinking, and I hope you enjoy.
Cheers!